Hi guys, Crystal here from ChristaCoDesign. I am working on my short sleeve v-neck shirt here, and I have my back panel worked up until it is time to begin the armhole shaping. Now this sounds much more intimidating than it actually is. All you're doing is single crocheting 2 stitches together so that it brings the sides in a little to create a set-in sleeve, which reduces the bulk and just gives it a better fit. So to start my row, I'm going to chain 1. I'm using the alternate single crochet stitch for this one, so I go in the front loop first. Now my next 2 stitches I'm going to join together with a single crochet 2 together. I don't need to worry about front loops or back loops. I'm just going to go in, pull up a loop, go in the second stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all 3. So now I have reduced 1, 2, 3 stitches to 1, 2. Now I'm going to continue to do the back loop, front loop, single crochet across. And when I get to the last 3 stitches, I'm going to single crochet 2 of those together. Okay, I've reached the last 3 stitches. So now I'm going to do the same thing on the opposite end. Going into these 2 stitches, I'm going to single crochet 2 together, insert my hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, insert my hook to the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through those 3. And then I will go into my back loop, single crochet, and my first decrease row is complete. I am going to mark that first stitch because this is basically where my armholes and my sleeves start, and we want to make sure that I have those just right. So now you're going to do the next row will be a regular row across, and then the next row you will decrease again on either end, and that is how you do the armhole decreasing. Not scary at all. Thanks for watching.